Good morning. This is the intro to the roller dice or dice roller app from chapter 5. Um, let's go ahead and bring it up. And here we go. Okay. The chapter 5 roller dice app um, implemented several different um, menu options. The one from chapter, I think chapter 5.3 spoke about dialogue, I guess dialogue boxes, right? Um, And as you can see, you can select here for two, three, or one dice. Um, Here you can select the timing, and I would guess this will be the toolbar, as this is the status bar. And once you click here, you're able to roll the dice. The alert dialog class is creates a dialogue with the title, the messages and the buttons. And the activity that displays the roller dialog fragment would need to know which one to select, right? For it to function. Um, that notifies the activity by calling the activity's callback method with whatever choice would be in order for it to function to switch over. Um, then moving along to I guess 5.4 and 5.5. I want to point this out together because 5.4 and 5.5 later on in chapter 5.6 with touch gestures, yeah. Um, that gets I would say that stops working because of the touch gestures. For some reason, the touch gesture is not able to handle with with the one where you press down. Um, what is that called? It's called the long press, right? When you press down on it and you're able to select either add one, subtract one, or roll the dice. And then the other touch handling would be to just touch the dice and then scroll either left to right to increase or decrease the size. Uh, and then the touch gesture is different because the touch gesture, all you got to do is just swipe up and it starts the um the roll. It just rolls the dice, all of them. And I'm going to show you right now. Clearly the touch gesture is not implemented now because I went all the way to chapter 5.6, which implements let me see if I can find it here. As you can see, this is here is commented out so that it doesn't interfere with the touch the gesture detector. The gesture detector class um, is used for that what do you call it? The on fling method. Well, it's not the on fling method that it's using because it's using the simple on gesture listener, which is over it and overwrites the only the on fling method. As you can see, if I swipe up, there you go. It just works, which is pretty cool. I guess, I'm using the mouse here, but I guess using the finger is probably more convenient than just clicking here and having to. Oh no, actually, you click here. It's about the same thing. I guess you get another type of feature functionality by swiping up. But it was a pretty cool project. Um, it works here in the Pixel 2. It also works in the Pixel 7. As you can see, you might be able to see the status bar icons in white. I wanted to turn them in black, but I guess I did that for the other project. I just didn't complete that because it wasn't part of chapter 5. But here you could do the same thing. You could fling up, and it pretty much works. If you select here the time, you could select long, medium, or short. Okay, my goodness. Let's select medium. There we go. And we can select here the amount of dices. For some reason, this thing is lagging. There we go. So I just use the fling or swipe up, and you get the roll. and and pretty much there's comments all over these. The main activity, the roller length, dialog fragment, and the dice um, Kotlin files, along with my name and dates on each. Thank you.